Ich will Arzt werden.
I would like to study in Germany in the future.
Ich fühle mich wie ein Teil einer Familie.
You don't have to worry about anything.
We welcome a lot of students from all over the world, basically from 10 years old up to 17 years. Our general program is lessons in the morning and in the afternoon, and also free time activities in the afternoon and evening. There is a overall supervision of all our students, for juniors especially, but also for teenagers. We offer courses from A1 level up to the C1 level, and we offer between 25 lessons per week up to 30 or sometimes even 40 lessons. So students can come to our institute with no pre-knowledge. They can make a lot of progress right in the first hours of their lessons. And they very much enjoyed the combination between courses and free time activities and the possibility to speak so much German during the whole week.
I like the teachers. They help you with all your homework if you have a question.
The atmosphere overall is really casual, it's not too strict, and it's easy to learn in this type of class. The classes aren't too big, so we get opportunities to talk and learn and interact with the teacher in every class.
For our students, it's really important to be open for studying and learning a new language. If they really want to study and to learn the language, here it's the best place.
Over the 2 years, I have went from knowing no German to now I can speak almost fluently in German.
Wir haben hier auf dem Campus 3 Häuser. Die Schüler sind immer in Doppelzimmer oder in Dreibettzimmer untergebracht. Wir trennen Mädchen und Jungs. Die Zimmer haben alle ihr eigenes Bad. Wir teilen die Schüler so auf, dass sie immer mit unterschiedlichen Muttersprachen zusammenwohnen.
I have a really big room for 2 people, and I find it like really nice because everyone has their personal space.
And the campus, yeah, it's also big. You have a big garden where you can play.
Die Zimmer werden zweimal pro Woche geputzt und sind immer sauber.
We also have the balcony with the nice view. You can just live outside, get some fresh air.
Also wir haben hier auf dem Campus eine eigene Küchenteam und wir kochen alles selber, frisch, regional und saisonal und achtet eben auf gute Lebensmittel und gute Produkte. Wir gehen auch gern auf Besonderheiten ein, wenn jemand eine Allergie hat oder so, dann richten wir uns da ein und kümmern uns da speziell drum.
Like to work on an eye level with the students. Young adults or like children need a little bit of guidance with. That's what we're here for. What are you doing today? How's class? How's your roommate? These kind of questions, they are very essential to see whether the students are happy with us or whether they need any sort of little pieces of advice, little counseling here and there.
Betreuern ist immer mit uns. Wir machen Partys, wir machen Freizeitprogramm. Wir manchmal reden über unsere schwierigen Zeiten mit Betreuern. Sie helfen uns über alle Sachen in Humboldt-Institut.
But I really remember my first time I was like 11 years old. I was like a little bit worried about friends, food, but everyone is so helpful, really friendly, and you don't have to worry about anything.
It's actually surprisingly easy to find new friends here because like everybody's kind of looking for friends. We all have the same goal in learning German. It's like becoming better, improving ourselves.
Alle sind sehr nett und wir können immer sprechen mit Raphael, Evelyn, Jan.
There's also situations where students come to me and they're not in a really good mood, a conflict with your roommate, or maybe my grandma has passed away while I was here, and these kind of situations are challenging for young people. I really like giving little pieces of advice to the students and trying to make them come out of a difficult situation even stronger than they were before.
Here are a lot of people like from every countries, every continent.
My friends from Turkey, USA, Spain, China, so much countries.
It's also very essential doing activities like getting your head free and being outside, doing lots of sports, but also creative activities like drawing, painting.
Wow, it's a big campus, a lot of activities to do. I always go to the lake with some
football, basketball, swimming, tennis.
I like to go in the swimming pool because there's also a sauna and it's like really calm and chill.
Und ich schwimme gerne, gesund zu bleiben.
Ich denke, jede Woche gibt es hier eine neue Sache. neue Programm, das ist für uns neue Kulturen zu lernen, neue Sachen zu lernen.
Our students really enjoyed their city walk in our lovely city, and it's also a nice place to explore. And very important to use their German skills in an active environment. Sometimes they need to buy things in a shop and they have to apply their German language skills.
I can also learn more about the culture in the local area or like just simply enjoy the local atmosphere. And in excursions, we usually go into the nearby cities such as Stuttgart, München, or Konstanz.
The Allianz Arena or Castle Neuschwanstein, students always report that they really enjoy these kind of things. Sometimes we have excursions too, more fun excursions, trampoline parks, a corn labyrinth. They focus more on the getting to know the students better, or like the students getting to know other students better.
I started 2 years ago. It was my first time in Humboldt as well. It was really nice here. I've also been to other campuses and now I'm back here again.
Ich habe das Gefühl, dass ich hier das Leben besser verstehe. Ich schätze, wie man mich auf ein neues Leben vorbereitet.
It's really nice. Like I come to Humboldt mostly because of the people that I meet here, because of the experience that I make, and you're just having fun, like better than any other activity that you can do in summer.